When you're ready to start working on a task, select Start Timer from the Timer dropdown. A green timestamp will appear next to it, showing when you began tracking time for that task. When you're done working or need a break, select Stop Timer, and the tool will calculate the total time you've worked. After stopping the timer, you'll see a timestamp indicating when you stopped, along with a Last Session display showing that the session lasted 9 minutes and 17 seconds. The tool will automatically add this session's time to the actual time tracked for that task, updating the 3 boxes, similar to the Goals section, with 9.5 minutes added to the Minutes box. The tool will round up or down to the nearest half minute. You'll also notice that the progress bar has been updated, showing that you've now spent about 20% of the time you estimated to complete the task. If you want to continue working on a task, simply repeat the process by selecting Start Timer again. The tool will record a new timestamp, clear the last session display, and keep the accumulated actual time intact. You can do this as many times as you need. The TimeTrack Assistant is designed to be flexible, understanding that unforeseen distractions happen, and you might occasionally forget to start or stop the timer at the right moment. Therefore, you can manually adjust the time you've worked on a task by editing the 3 boxes in the accumulated time section. Similarly, you can adjust your goal time in the same way. There's also a handy timer tool built into the sidebar, which you can access by selecting Open Timer Sidebar from the menu or via the drop-down. Simply choose the amount of time you want to work, then hit the Start button. You can pause the timer at any time. If you'd like a short alarm to play when the timer ends, check the sound checkbox. The timer will continue running as long as the sidebar remains open.